You've seen the viral date bark, but never like this. Instead of dozens of dates, I'm using these date-based bars from Skout Organic that come in so many fun flavors like peppermint brownie. Place the bars in a square shape. This was way easier than dealing with sticky dates, and you can use a can to roll out the bars to your desired thickness. Once you've done that, melt some chocolate, and I'm adding some ghee, which helps the chocolate stay shiny and smooth. This next step is so satisfying, smoothing out a layer of chocolate to the edges and then into the freezer to set. If you're not adding salt to your chocolate, let this be your sign. White chocolate will make you feel like an artist, and this bark was so delicious.